Los Angeles wildfires. Latest news updates today. The wildfire season in Los Angeles has reached alarming levels, with multiple blazes wreaking havoc across the region. Fueled by high winds, dry vegetation, and soaring temperatures, these fires have devastated communities, forced mass evacuations, and challenged firefighters' efforts to contain them. Here's the latest on the unfolding crisis. As of today, several major wildfires are burning across Los Angeles County, including the fast-moving Palisades fire and the dangerous Mandeville Canyon blaze. Over 20,000 acres have been scorched, leaving neighborhoods in ruins and displacing thousands of residents. Fire officials report that the flames are spreading rapidly due to unpredictable Santa Ana winds. These gusts, which can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, have pushed the fires into new areas, threatening densely populated communities. "We are facing an uphill battle," said LA County Fire Chief Darrell Osby. "The weather conditions are working against us, and containment is proving incredibly difficult." Mandatory evacuation orders remain in effect for multiple neighborhoods, including Pacific Palisades, Brentwood, and parts of Malibu. Shelters have been set up across the city to accommodate the thousands of evacuees who fled their homes with little more than the clothes on their backs. "I left with my kids and my dog," said a local resident at an evacuation center. "I don't know if we'll have a home to return to." Officials are urging those in high-risk areas to evacuate immediately, stressing the importance of prioritizing safety over property. Firefighters are working tirelessly to combat the flames, deploying thousands of personnel, fire engines, and aerial resources. Helicopters and planes are dropping water and fire retardant in an effort to slow the spread, but the sheer intensity of the fires is testing their limits. Crews from neighboring states have joined the fight, but resources are stretched thin. Many firefighters have been on the front lines for days without rest, battling extreme heat and dangerous conditions. "The dedication of these men and women is heroic," said Los Angeles Mayor Karen Bass. In addition to the immediate threat of flames, the wildfires have created hazardous air quality across the region. Thick smoke and ash have blanketed Los Angeles, reducing visibility and causing respiratory issues for residents. The elderly, children, and those with pre-existing health conditions are especially vulnerable. Health officials have issued air quality alerts, advising people to stay indoors, use air purifiers, and wear masks if outdoor exposure is unavoidable. Hospitals have reported an increase in patients experiencing breathing difficulties and other smoke-related illnesses. A rare and terrifying phenomenon has emerged during these wildfires: fire tornadoes. These swirling columns of flame, caused by intense heat and turbulent winds, have been spotted in several areas, including Malibu and West LA. Fire tornadoes can spread embers and flames over long distances, making containment efforts even more challenging. "This is an extreme event," said Mark Ghilarducci, director of the California Office of Emergency Services. "Fire tornadoes are unpredictable and highly dangerous, posing a significant threat to both firefighters and residents. The economic impact of these wildfires is staggering. Thousands of homes have been destroyed or damaged, leaving families homeless and businesses in ruins. Early estimates suggest that recovery costs could run into the billions. The environmental toll is equally devastating. Wildlife habitats have been destroyed, and local ecosystems face long-term consequences. These fires also contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, further exacerbating climate change. The intensifying wildfire seasons have reignited debates about climate change and the need for better fire management strategies. Governor Gavin Newsom has emphasized the importance of addressing the root causes of these disasters. "We need to invest in fire prevention, strengthen our emergency response systems, and tackle the climate crisis head-on," he said. Experts are advocating for measures such as creating defensible spaces around homes, improving forest management, and investing in sustainable energy solutions to reduce the risk of future wildfires. Officials urge residents in fire-prone areas to stay informed by following local news and emergency alerts. Create an evacuation plan, pack an emergency kit, and leave early if an evacuation order is issued.